That I
something.
didn't get it, that I didn't get into college, but I had a great time taking that test.
Yeah, yeah, it was good. That was good. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. You know, the honesty is great. But are you one of those people